To drive v is equal to u plus at, use the definition v is equal to dx by dt and a is equal to dv by dt. Now here u, v, a and t, just see at this definition a, v, dt. Okay, so better to use this definition. So a is equal to dv by dt, cross multiply it. When you cross multiply it, after cross multiplying it, beta differentiate integrate it. After integrating, choose the limits of velocity u to v, limits of time 0 to t. You know that if there is a no power of v, it means it has a power of 0, so it will be v 0 plus 1. Use this formula, x raised to power n dx is equal to, if it has limits, then b n plus 1 minus a n plus 1 upon n plus 1. It is definite integration, so we have to put the limits. So I am putting the limits as v minus 0, because if power is 0, then only b minus a, so it is v minus u. So similarly here t minus 0, so formula becomes v is equal to u plus at. So for driving s is equal to ut plus half at square, use the definition of velocity, cross multiply time, put the value of v, u plus at. Okay, open the bracket, integrate it in both the sides, dx 0 to s. Now be careful about choosing the limits. If it is velocity, you have considered the limits of velocity. If it is time, you have considered the limits of t. Be careful in choosing the sign dv or dt. Here it is x is displacement. Definitely you are moving, you are covering some distance. 0 to s limits, 0 to t, 0 to t. Here it is s minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit, and here there is a power 1, so it will be upper limit is t, so t square minus 0 square is equal to 2 divided by 2, sorry. So this becomes s is equal to ut plus half at square. If we change the limits in this 0 to t, 0 to t or 0 to s to limits sn minus 1 to sn and n minus 1 to n and n minus 1 to n. So what is sn minus 1? See, total distance covered in n second is sn, let us say, and in n minus 1 is sn minus 1. So what will be the distance during snth second? Total distance sn minus sn minus 1. So this is snth. For that we have to choose limits. For displacement, the limits will be sn minus 1 to sn, and for time, total time is n seconds, and here it is n minus 1 seconds. For time, limits are n minus 1 to n. So put these limits. This is simply upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit. Here are the powers, and t has power 1, so it will be b square minus a square by 2, n square minus n minus 1 ka square by 2. When you open the bracket, you will get this relation. So this is the displacement covered in nth second of motion. And then is, let us derive the formula of v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Use the definition of acceleration dv by dt, multiply it with dx by dx, replace it. So dx by dt becomes velocity. So this relation becomes like this, cross multiply dx. So this v dv is equal to a dx. Now integrate on both sides. Take the limits of velocity u to v, displacement 0 to s. Its power is 1, so this is v square minus u square by 2, and this is s minus 0. So this formula becomes v square minus u square is equal to 2as.